Record his reaction. I got it. I got it.
Damn.
You damn.
I got tickets from 2 years ago. I caught that.
What'd you catch?
That you didn't put my beer in there.
Chris put it in there.
My cigarettes are in there.
That's what you bought. That's Smoker's Choice. You wanted a double bag.
Yeah, right.
You're an asshole, bro. Why don't you fucking play along? Yeah, I try to see if we got it fucked up right. Yeah. Ooh, what the fuck happened?
Oh no, I think you can tell when you're walking out of the store with an empty bag.
He's shaking it. He's like, this is it. He's shaking it. This is it. Oh, hopefully.